Hello, welcome back guys in our last part of courses Dominator Platinum RGB Ram tutorial in Blender. So in this part we are going to add a realistic material on it. Okay, so go to solid view and shift A, add a plane, bring it down and scale. Go to vendor viewport and okay, this one. Now simply enable the ambient occlusion, enable the bloom also, enable the screen space reflection with refraction on it. Okay, now select, give it new material 07. I think this one also material. Okay, decrease the value of base color and increase the metallic look, increase the specular level and decrease the roughness little bit. Okay, now select the bolts and let's make them darker and increase the metallic look on it and increase the specular level on it also. Okay, now let's go to color and environment texture and open basic to environment. You can download all the environment from description below, so download and use basic 2K003. Okay, now go to here, fill and make transparent. Okay, now make it darker. Select this one, give it a new material, make it darker, more darker, increase metallic look, specular level, decrease the roughness value. Okay, leave around here and let's make it yellow with increase the metallic look on it, specular level, down the roughness value and leave around here. Okay, looking very nice guys. Now select for the class, go to shader editor, delete the principal shader, shift A, search mix shader and just simply leave here, shift A, add glass shader, shift A, add glossy shader, shift A, add Fresnel, shift A, add RGB curves, factor to factor, color to factor, I think here, glass to shader, glossy to shader and shader to surface. Leave the roughness value around here. Now shift A, add image texture and import the image of normal from the description below. The splash image, the splash texture. Okay, download and use. And shift A, add normal color to what? Color to color, normal to displacement. Okay, and just leave here. Okay, now check the screen space reflection and blend mode to alpha blend and just leave here and select the emission and simply change the color and increase the strength value something like this, and here it is. The results are very good. You can just simply decrease the value of normal something like this, press Ctrl T to make something like this, and now scale on axis about 3 and 3 and just decrease the strength value around 0.6 and look at this. Now it's smaller than previous. And you can also use from here. Where just bring change shade editor and press N and just simply increase the scale amount. Okay, it's done. Now for better result, let's just change it to around here. This one is nice. Okay, for this one, same, the glass, the glass, alpha blend, screen space reflection, and check the Dominator and change the color of Dominator text to full red, and increase the specular level and decrease the roughness value and bring it up. Something like this. Okay, so guys, look at this. The Corsair's Dominator Platinum RGB Ram modeling is completed, and the results are very awesome. So guys, hope you learned something new in this video. I think you learned something new in this video. So stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. The RAM, the motherboard, all gaming PC is coming soon. I will try my best. So stay tuned with me, and goodbye guys, and also please like the video.